a great day at Techy. My name is Jude. What information can I provide for you today?
Hey, I'm just wondering how much it costs to replace an iPad screen.
Yeah, absolutely. Are you looking to get that done today?
No, not today. My daughter's out of state, but she just messaged me that her iPad screen broke, so I'm just curious.
Oh, wow, that's unfortunate. How old is she?
She's 10.
Listen, it happens. Sometimes it happens. So you're the one who's going to pay for it, right?
Yeah, I literally just got it for her a month ago.
That's unfortunate. I'm sorry to hear that. Hey, I'll make sure to help you out on the price. I know how annoying that is. So I would like to have a look at the iPad before I get you a price. I can definitely get you an estimate of some sort. But I'd rather, as I said, have a look at the iPad, see how it is, the condition, because it could change the price significantly, upwards of $100. Do you know the model of the iPad, just so I get you a small estimate?
Honestly, I'm not even sure
Yeah,
which one it is. Because it's like,
So let's just talk about the call. He's doing an amazing job on the call. Icebreakers, having a conversation with her, these are great. But how can we get that done quicker, right? She's out of state, these kind of things. So how can we lock in that deal faster? Maybe by offering to send her a shipping label to have it shipped to our headquarters. You know, we have 200 locations, fortunately, so she could even be close by one of our other locations. So go onto the website and see if there's a location close to her. These little things. So you got to think a little bit outside the box on that, and don't just wait for her to come back, right? Try to see if you can lock in that deal today. And so I think that's important and something that he could be improve on a little bit. But for the most part, the call's great.
like the new one. It's 10.2 inches.
10.2, unfortunately. Okay, so I'm going to have to guess, but I don't want to guess because the price could be from $90 to $500. I don't want to give you a random price. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah, for that, I mean, that's too big of a range. If we're going to give ranges, you know, the range is like $100, you know, from 100 to 200, not 100 to 700. I mean, that's scary. That's going to scare the crap out of a customer. So, like, in this particular situation, like, I would have just been more engaging where saying, hey, look, an average iPad repair ranges from 100 to $200 depending on which model it is, and leave it at that. Instead of going down the description of what size is it, all these other things, just give them an average, what an average cost of a repair is. And then once they come into the door, we can give them a more accurate quote.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know when your daughter gets back?
She'll be back later today.
Okay, yeah, I mean, if you want to come by today, I close at 6 p.m. We are closed for the weekend. If you do end up coming in today, we'll try to, as best as we can to get it done today. It usually takes about an hour and a half, so if you are able to come in around 4:30 or 5 p.m., I don't mind staying about 30 minutes late for you. I completely don't mind. I'll make sure to save you a screen and get started on that. Do you know where we're located?
Do you know which?
Like for me, like that's good, but you're kind of scaring the customer, giving them so much information. Like you're forcing them to try to come in at 4:30, which is fine. I'm okay with that. But look, it's just an iPad. The chances that she's gonna need that iPad right then and right now, compared to like a phone, is very rare. So just give them to walk in the door. So if she walks in the door at 6 o'clock when you close, no big deal. I'm sure they can wait till Monday to come pick it up. She's not asking all these questions and times, and we're giving too much information. Again, focus on driving the customer to the door.
Which iPad that is, the 10.2 one?
So there is not really a 10.2. There's a list of about 20 iPads that Apple has. There is so if you just give me the dimension, there is iPads 5 through 9, which, you know, there's a significant...
I think it's the 9th one.
The 9th? Okay, I can get you an estimate on that then.
So see, by doing all this, it's just we're going way too far into the call. This particular situation, I'll definitely follow up with. Maybe it's, you know, we're only an hour and a half in. Maybe it's too soon to call back for this particular situation. But I will definitely give them a ring. Let's call it around 2:30 and say, hey, just wanted to touch base, see if you're still looking to come in.